Bore da blant, sut o'i ti? How are you? Well, there's been a change in the weather, hasn't there? Roedd hi'n bwrw glaw, it was raining. Roedd hi'n oer, it was cold. Ond roedd hi'n haelog hefyd, it was sunny as well. I hope you are okay and keeping safe. Cadwch yn ddiogel and hope to see you very soon. I thought today we might start by singing Pwy wnaeth y ser uwch ben. I'll just go over the words and the actions. So first of all, y ser uwch ben, the stars above. The second verse we're going to sing is our adar man. So we have our birds. A moroedd mawr, our waves. Pysgod chwim, fish. Chi a fi, you and me, and then we sing them all together. Shall we start? Are you ready? Barod? I'm going to read you the story today of O.M. Edwards and the Welsh Knot. And we're going to be looking at Article 30, which is the right to practice your own language. Have a think about how you feel about this story. Owen Edwards lived on a farm in Wales nearly 150 years ago, before anyone who is alive today was born. When Owen was 6 years old, his father gave him a job. His job was to scare the birds in the field. Bit like a scarecrow, bwgan brain. His father had made him a special rattle to make a noise so that the birds would fly away. Owen shouted, "Ewch I ffwrdd," as well to frighten the birds, and there he is with his rattle. All Owen's friends spoke Welsh. No one could really speak English very well. When Owen and his friends played, they talked in Welsh. When Owen and his family sat at the table to eat their food, they spoke in Welsh. When Owen went to chapel every Sunday, he sang hymns in Welsh and said prayers in Welsh. There he is. But when Owen went to school, he had to speak in English. Owen did not like school. The school teacher said, "I do not want to hear anyone speaking in Welsh, or you will be punished." Owen tried hard to speak in English, but he found it really difficult. So did his friends, especially when they were playing in the schoolyard. The teacher listened carefully in case she heard someone speak in Welsh. She heard Gwilym speak in Welsh. She grabbed him by the collar and shouted loudly at him, "You will now wear the Welsh knot around your neck. Listen carefully until you hear someone else speak Welsh. Then pass the Welsh knot to him." So the Welsh knot was a little block of wood with Welsh knot on it. It had to be worn around the neck. And if they heard someone else speak Welsh, they had to pass it on to them. And at the end of the day, the person left wearing the Welsh knot was punished. Owen shouted in Welsh to his friend. Gwilym passed the Welsh knot to him. Owen wore it all day. He heard many children speak in Welsh, but he would not pass on the Welsh knot. At the end of the day, Owen stood at the teacher's desk. The teacher said, "Hold out your hand, you naughty boy." Owen did as he was told. Then the teacher hit him 6 times, chwech, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, chwech, with her cane. Owen cried all the way home. There's the cane, boys and girls. And when I was in school, children then used to have the cane too. I never had it. I always listened to the teacher. When Owen grew up, he became a school inspector. He inspected all the schools in Wales to make sure that the teachers were doing their work properly. He did not like